Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Mahindra Lifespace developers. Our analyst retains a buy rating on stock with a revised price target of Rs 630. Rolling forward the NAV and DCF valuation to September 25 earnings and considering strong scalability in business over the next 5 years. His interaction with the management indicates towards achieving profitable growth with scale. The focus is on mid to premium and premium projects with selective preference towards value homes. Its key launches in Thane, Kandivali, Pune and Mumbai remain largely on track. It expects construction to gather pace from Q3 as construction commences on new projects. It has set an aspirational target to achieve 5 times sales booking of Rs 8 to 10,000 crore by FY28. The business development pipeline would be scaled to 40,000 to 50,000 crore from current Rs 5,500 crore excluding Thane project. Next on radar is NTPC Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy rating on NTPC with an unchanged price target of Rs 260. We believe that NTPC is one of the best bets among large cap power companies in India, as it is play on both revival in thermal power capex and a high growth in RE business. It has planned to add 10 gigawatts of capacities over next 3 years in thermal power capex. Anticipation of rise in peak power demand, supply deficit already up at 4% in FY23 as compared to 0.4% in FY21 could drive re-rating for NTPC's regulated thermal business given it provides strong earnings growth visibility backed by higher regulated equity base. NTPC focus for exponential growth in the RE portfolio to 20 gigawatts to 60 gigawatts by FY26 to FY2032 earnings would imply a meaningful EBITDA contribution from RE portfolio in medium to long term. We believe that NTPC's current market capitalization does not fully capture the potential of RE business and a likely IPO could help drive better RE valuation along with likely value unlocking for the investor. At current market price, the stock trades at attractive valuation of 1.3 times FY25 earnings price to book value and offers healthy dividend yield of 3 to 4%. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.